This is YFM-001YG, the YG slider and the YG puller auto assembly machine for the number 3 YG slider. Now we are going to test this machine for the normal YG slider. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 4 to 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please switch on the machine's main power. And please switch to the auto, and the vibrator will be running. For the vibrator control, there's a controller. Okay, if there's no lock, you just press the button and you can adjust the frequency. Once it's confirmed, you can press confirm. If you want to lock, you need to press the lock for 3 seconds and it will be locked. If you want to unlock, you need to press for 3 seconds. It will be unlocked. Okay? And once everything is okay, and you can press the motor lamp start button for 2 seconds, and the machine will be auto running. Both Master is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finished machinery testing. Please press the auto lamp stop button, okay, and switch to the stop. We finished the machinery testing.